Hello everyone, thank you for watching, and for those of you who don't know, I do reviews on every single campsite I stop at, so go ahead and check out my YouTube page for the review of this campsite. Okay, this is home for the next 2.5 days. It is blazing hot. My tent has these things that had an air intake on each side that really help, but sadly I can't take the top rain cover off to add more breeze because I do change in there, so I don't want to obviously take that off. But she's set up and ready to go for the weekend. Hello, here we are at Davis Creek Reservoir. It is the week before 4th of July 2019, and it is me, my mom, my dad, my little brother. Mom and dad brought the camper. I will be tenting, which I should be setting up right now, but I know it's gonna be a hot weekend, I think. We have plans to do some fishing, some hiking. Happy Jack Chalk Mine is right down the road. It's also on the passport, so we want to do that. And I will keep you guys updated throughout the weekend. Good morning, everyone. It is the first morning of the camping trip. It is already, I think, 82 degrees, and it's only 7:30 or something. So I am sweating in this tent, so I think it's already time to get up because it's gonna start cooking in here. For my last video, I said I was getting out, and I ended up sleeping another 2 more hours. If you can't tell, my hair is beautiful. Where are my glasses? But one perk of staying with a camper is cold water. That's like the suckiest part about staying in a tent when it's like 1,000,000 degrees and you're on your own, is that everything is warm. There's not a cold thing. Your water is as hot as it is outside. Like, you can bring coolers, but coolers in a 90, 95 degree day is only gonna stay cold for so long. So I appreciate this cold water right now. Mom and I are out here exploring the campground. There is a lot of campers out here. Mom, how many would you say is out here? How many spots is over there? 50? 50 some campers probably, and there's tons of boaters. This must be a boat campground. It's hot. What was it, 93 earlier? Mm-hmm. 93. 93, and we're walking around getting a tan. Is there guts in it?
There's guts in it, yeah.
Huh. Trying to figure out, this side of the campsite is non-reservable. Well, some of them are.
I think the signs are on. They're not online.
Oh, so this whole side of the campground, there's a ton that are open, and we think it's because you can't reserve them online, because we had picked like one of the last spots that were reservable because we don't like to drive a long distance without a reserved spot. But there's plenty of, but there's also a lot of people out here with generators, so we don't know. Is that a trail? See this? Anyways, it's a really nice campsite. Even this side they're supposed to redo this side. This is supposed to be the side that they're gonna do renovations, but even it's pretty nice, I would say anyways. A little bit of cornhole today. Oh. We are at the Happy Jack Chalk Mine, right, Ben?
Yep. But she just wanted you to bring the camper with.
Here we are. We're gonna take a tour at the Happy Jack Chalk Mine today. I've been once, and my mom's been once, but Ben's never been, and so here we go.
This is what it looked like 14 million years ago. It was all underwater, like an inland sea. A volcano in Yellowstone erupted and made Ash Falls. Have you been to Ash Falls?
Yeah.
I only had one today. Right there, yeah.
Oh man.
They call this the ballroom because again in the 1950s, people would park there was an opening here and they parked their cars there. They take turns shining their headlights in here, and they have picnic tables.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
I don't know them all. The shop, of course, is wine, paint, toothpaste, chocolate, Tums,
We just got
you
out
can
of the
literally
chalk
see how,
mine.
You can see like the white stuff in the air.
Yeah, you could,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, they had a lot of cool information. Like I said, Mom and I have been here before. Ben
I
hasn't.
haven't.
Ben what did you think of it? Did you expect that's what it was gonna be? Did you just think it was a pile of chalk? It's a series of underground caves that stay around 50 to 55 degrees all year round. It's like 90 degrees out today, and it was
cool down there.
yeah, it was really cool down there. They've got imprints of earthworms and jellyfish.
Big earthworms.
Big earthworm. Yeah, humongous snake-like. Okay, we have to go get some supplies from town that we forgot at home, of course. And I will update you guys later on what we decide we're gonna do. Turkey. I think I rolled up on her head with her nest is over here because she's not moving. She's just been going around in circles. My guess is it's a hen who has eggs over there because normally turkeys are not shy. They will run away quickly. That turkey's following me now. You do not want to mess with turkeys, guys. They have these talons on the back of their legs. That could hurt. She's still following me. I probably can't see her anymore. She's pretty far. Here she comes. Oh, holy cow, she's booking it.
You got your fan. Oh yeah, you want a flashlight. All right, I'll get you.
Thanks, you're great.
Little or big or
I'm good.
don't care.
I don't care. As long as it's got some sort of vision.